Good morning students. Today we'll be doing the doubts of exercise 2.5 where you asked me for doing 3, 4 and 5 question from page number 44. Here I'll be solving one question of every question, so you can do other questions by yourself in this. This is 0.0024 divided by 0.04. Simply you have to write this in a fraction form. Then you have to count the zeros which are below the fraction, that is 2. After point you can see there are only 2 digits, so I'll place here 100 because this have 2 zeros in this. And then above number you can see there are four digits after the decimal, 1 2 3 4. So I have put here multiplication and the fraction of that will be 4 zeros, so this will be 10,000 according to that. Now if you have put it here 100 for removing the point here and here 10,000 for removing the point here, so this will be left as 24 divided by 4. Now 24 divided by 4 can be easily done and your answer will be 6 here, but this will remain same. You can see there are two zeros here and 4 zeros are here, so we will cut 2 zeros with this 2 zeros and then 2 zeros will be left here, as I have cutted 1 2 3 4. So my 2 zeros are left here. This will be as 6 upon 100. If you will see that one digit cut by 1 0, but still we do not have any digits, so we'll place 1 0 here and point it here. So the answer will be 0.06 because it is 100 below, so we have to manage this 2 digits before the points because it was divided with 100. Now here is the fourth question. This is also very simple. As I told you, write this in the fraction and then count how many digits are there after the decimal. So there are 3 digits after the decimal, so I'll multiply this with the 1000. Now here it becomes 7000 and this is remaining with 14. So in 7's table it comes one time and this 2, and then 1000 are remaining and 2 is remaining. If you divide 1000 by 2, so you'll get 500 in this. Now this is the fifth question and first part of that. Again I am writing this both numbers in the fraction. You can see there are decimal of after before only one digit. So I have written here 10 with one digit, 1 0, and here it is 4 digit after the decimal, so I am writing this 4 digit 4 zeros at the below. Now I can write 216 divided by 6 in this form, and I have cutted this 1 0 with this, so I have only remaining with the 3 zeros at last, and then I am dividing 216 by 6, so I am getting here my answer is 36 and there is no remainder. But according to 36 answer, my still 1000 is left below, so I will, according to the decimal, I'll arrange them that 2 digits can be unmanaged with the 2 zeros, but still 1 is left, so I have to put here 1 0 and then place the point here. In this question is asking you to up to 3 decimals. In this, if you are getting a more like I am getting the 1.433 answer, so in this they are telling you that you should write only up to the 3 decimals place. So I have to write as the answer 1.433 because they are asking us to do this. If they are asking up to 2 decimals, so I will be writing only 1.4 and 3. I will not write this because they asked me to do only 2 decimals. They asked me here only for the 3 decimals, and it is all the answer is already in the 3 decimals, so we do not have to change anything in this. So you have to do the correction of exercise 2.4 and submit your doubts of exercise 2.6. Thank you.